Our Ikea oven displays error code FO2.
What happened just before your Ikea oven displayed this message?
I was using the oven to cook potatoes, at plus 150 C, and it had been on for an hour or so.
How long has this been going on with your Ikea oven? What have you tried so far?
This is the first time. We shut off the electricity for a minute, and then it seemed to work again, but then the error code came back again.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Oven was installed 2012, and has been working great.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Do you have the model number? Are you still there?
Hi Austin, model hash is IB650PXS00.
Okay, thanks. With my experience, this means either the temperature sensor or control board is faulty. The best way to determine is to check the temperature sensor with a voltmeter. It should read approximately 1080 at room temperature. Most likely it is the temperature sensor. This is the part number WPW10131825. Copy and paste this link. It will look different, but it comes apart the same way. https://www.partselect.com PS11748765 Whirlpool WPW10131825 temperature sensor.htm. Are you still there?
Hi Austin. I turned off the power to the unit for a few minutes and then powered up again. It now seems to work fine, and I ran it for 30 minutes or so. I appreciate your efforts. If it acts up again, I will get back to you. Leif Lindblom.
You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You Have a Great Evening. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating. You may have to go to the app or JustAnswer.com.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.